Hello guys, this is Gospel Ugiagbe. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, you need to click that like button and support the YouTube channel, and let us head over the reason why you are watching this video. So today we are going to talk about 3 ways that you can use to make money online, and I'm going to be very brief on it. So I know you'll be wondering, the world make money online. You don't make money, you earn money. So I want you to understand, but everybody will use the terms earn money, make money online. But you need to understand that you don't make money, you earn money. So you work for me, I pay you for your time. So you are earning something from me for giving me your time. So it's like a change by data. You are exchanging something, and in return, each one of us is making interest from it. So, but we are going to talk about 3 ways that you can use to make money online. So the first way you can use to make money online, is to start blogging. So to start blogging, first thing you need is to create a website. So you create a website. If you want to get a hosting and domain, you can go to HostGator to get your website created. Or if you want to create your website for free, you can watch this video that will pop up right now. It will show you step by step how you can create your website for 100% free. You're not paying any money. So let us assume now you have your website. The next thing is to go and join affiliate program. So those affiliate program you need to join. You need to join a good affiliate program that will pay you a recurring commission. What is a recurring commission? Recurring commission is when you are promoting a services, and these services is pay you every single month. As long as you send this one users or one client to them, this one client, as long as this one client is still engaged on these services, using it or paying for this subscription fee every single month, you that refer this person to this program, you are going to be making interest. It can be 25% commission every single month, it can be 40% commission every single month, depending on the amount the company is willing to pay you on the price the customer is willing to be paying every single month. So that is how affiliate program work. So when you join this affiliate program, they will give you a particular link. With this link, you can take this link and go and write articles, review, either a review about this company or show people how to use this company. It just depends on how you want to do, but the most important thing is to do, first thing is to do a review about this company, so that people that is looking for the review of this company, like they want to use it but they don't have a clue or idea about how this company work. So when they come to your website, then they will read the article. Let me say it's the best web hosting services, like I said. So that is how it works. On this best web hosting services, you are going to, let me say the title will be the best web hosting service review. So when they see this, it can be a solution what they are searching for, which is a keyword, the best web hosting services review. So this is a keyword you want to rank for. So with this keyword, people will search for this keyword, the best web hosting service review, and when they click on it, they will see this website we are talking about, which is the best web hosting services. They read through, and if it answers their question, like it gives them value or a solution of what they are looking for, they will click on where you say click here to know more or to learn more about this web hosting. And once they click, or you can say click here to get your hosting service, your hosting, maybe they can click on that place if they find it useful, or if you give them the value of what they are looking for. So you see how it works. So in this extent, you are getting paid for sending those customer to this company, which is called HostGator. So in return, you are going to do what? Get paid. So that is how affiliate program work. That is how you can create a website and start reviewing all other companies on your website, and people can pay you for sponsoring too. Another way you can still make money from your website is sponsoring other companies as like a banners or pop-up ads on your platform. So that is how you can make money from your website, by blogging. So let us move to the second way that you can use to make money online. So the second way you can use to make money online is to start a survey research task. Like what you do is that you answer questions, and in return you are getting paid for answering those questions. It can be like people are asking like freelancers to go and like their post, comment in their YouTube channel, or subscribe in their YouTube channel. In return, you are getting paid from doing all those tasks. There's a website that do that, which is Pico Worker. If you want to use Pico Worker, the link of Pico Worker will be in the description below if you want to. This depends on you. So there's a lot of website, Timebox, Swagbox. So all those companies, they are doing the same thing. Like you can download applications, you can take surveys, you are getting paid. You can watch videos, you are getting paid. You can like people Instagram page, like people, anything you do, you are getting paid. That is how this second method works. It's like you register in a website just like InstaGC or Timebox or Pico Worker. You go complete a particular task like answering a question of 2 to 3 minutes, you are getting paid. Even Ysense is even the one that is paying a lot of money. Ysense will pay you up to $7 for just answering 10 minutes question. So you'll find all the website I'm talking about in the description below if you want to use this method. So this third way that you can use to make money online is start staking. You can start staking and make money in return. So how does staking work? I made a video about Coinbase. You can go and watch Coinbase out to see how you can make money with Coinbase and get paid in return. And you can go to, there's a link I put a video to, I left in the description too, that you can find about Blockify. You can go and watch video when I talk about how you can make money with Blockify. So what you do is that you deposit money into the platform and you join their annual interest, and in return you are going to be getting like 5%, 10%, depending on the amount you put on their website. And you'll find how much you can make for using for depositing money into their platform and interest from it. And they are going to tell you the period of time. They have the flexible one, and they have the one they can lock between the period of time, maybe like 30 days, 100 days, 1 year. It just depends on the engagement. You can take the flexible one, or you can take the long-term one. I love the long-term one, which is like 1 year, 6 months, 3 months. So I love this one because you make more money for staking for a long time. But the flexible one, this one means that you can withdraw your money anytime. So you understand, it's different. The flexible one and the long-term one. The flexible one, you can withdraw your money anytime. Even if you deposit your money today, you can decide to withdraw your money today. But the one that they are locking, which is they give you a period of time, which is the duration that this money need to stay in their platform before you can withdraw it, which is the one that you are going to make a lot of money, which they are going to lock it like 30 days, 5 days, 10 days. It depends on the company, or depend on what they set that this is the time your money will spend on their platform. So that is the 3 ways that you can really use to make money online, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy it, only what I'm asking for you is right now, only what I'm asking from you right now is to just hit that like button, subscribe if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think about this video, and only what I'm asking from you now is to leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you want to get your card, let me say you are looking for how you want to start making payments online, you can try Revolut. So the link to create your account on Revolut, it will be in the description below. If you want, just check it out and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, like I said, and see you on my next video.